Hello student, today we will discuss about general knowledge. First, the famous Dilwara temples are situated in A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer is A. Rajasthan. Second, which gas is used for the preparation of soda water? A. Oxygen, B. Ammonia, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer is D. Carbon dioxide. Third, who among the following appoints the Prime Minister of India? A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. President of India, D. Chief Justice D. Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer is C. President of India. 4. The most important river of Odisha is A. Brahmaputra, B. Godavari, C. Mahanadi, D. Saravati. Answer is C. Fifth, the language spoken by the people by Pakistan is A. Hindi, C. Sindhi, D. Nauruan. Answer is C. Sindhi. 6. Gir National Park is situated in A. Bihar, B. Allahabad, C. West Bengal, D. Answer is D. Gujarat. 7. Madras are schools of A. Jain, B. Hindus, C. Muslims, D. Christians. Answer is C. Muslims. 8. Shore Temple is located at A. Calicut, B. Sanarpur, C. Patna, Mahabalipuram. Answer is D. Mahabalipuram. 9. The highest peak in South India is A. Everest, C. Nilgiri Hills, D. Anaimudi. Answer is D. Anaimudi. 10. Red Cross was founded by Answer is J.S. Duryant. 11. The gas used to extinguish fire is A. Carbon monoxide, B. Neon, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. So, answer is D. Carbon dioxide. 12. The largest part of the human brain is? Cerebellum, B. Midbrain, C. Cerebrum. So answer is C. Cerebrum. 13. The amount of light entering the eyes is regulated by iris, pupil, ciliary body. Answer is B. Iris. 14. The smallest cell in the human body are A. Muscle cell, B. Nerve cells, C. Blood cell, D. Brain stem cells. Answer is A. Muscle cells. 15. The number of ribs in human body is A. 12, B. 18, C. 20, D. 24. Answer is D. 24. 16. The biggest oil refinery in India is at A. Mathura, B. Jamnagar, C. Digboi, D. Answer is B. Jamnagar. 17. Who is Tanya Sachdev? A. Actress, B. Chess player, C. Dancer, D. Singer. Answer is B. Chess player. 18. Jaimini Roy was a famous A. Dancer, B. Actor, C. Producer, D. Painter. Answer is D. Painter. 19. Loktak Lake is located in A. Orissa, B. Manipur, C. Tripura, D. Mizoram. Answer is B. Manipur. 20. Geostationary orbit is at a height of A. 6 km, B. 1000 km, C. 3600 km, D. 36,000 km. Answer is D. 36,000 km. 21. Blanks forms the liquid part of the blood. A. WBC, B. RBC, C. HB, D. Plasma. So answer is D. Plasma. 22. The ignition temperature of white phosphorus is A. 30 Kelvin, B. 30 Celsius, C. 30 Fahrenheit, D. 35 Fahrenheit. So answer is B. 30 Kelvin. 23. 1 HP is equal to blanks watt. HP means horsepower. Means 1 horsepower is equal to blanks watt. How many watts? A 526, B 556, D 726, D 746. Answer is D 746. 24. Stethoscope was invented by. Answer is B. Leynick. 25. The last British Governor General was A. Rajaji, B. Lord Canning, D. Warren Hastings, D. Lord Mountbatten. Answer is D. Lord Mountbatten. 26. The mineral in which India depends largely on imports is A. Iron ore, B. Bauxite, C. Mica, D. Mercury. Answer is D. Mercury. 27. The last emperor was A. Akbar, B. Bahadur Shah, C. Nur Jahan, D. Babur. Answer is B. Bahadur Shah. 28. The state which leads in agriculture production is A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Karnataka, D. Rajasthan. Answer is B. Punjab. 29. The longest mountain range in the world is A. Alps, B. Himalayas, C. The Andes, D. The Everest. So answer is C. The Andes. 30. The most populous city in the world is A. Paris, B. London, C. Peking, D. Tokyo. Answer is Tokyo. 31. The chairman of Rules Committee is A. Opposition leader, B. The speaker, C. The president, D. The prime minister. Answer is B. The speaker. 32. Bauxite is an ore of. First of all, what is the bauxite? Bauxite is one type of metal, and ore means mixture of two metals. Means bauxite is made by mixture of two metals. So first is aluminium, B. lead, C. iron, D. zinc. So answer is A. aluminium. Means bauxite make by aluminium metal. 33. The largest desert of the world is. 33. The largest desert of the world is A. Sonoran, B. Sahara, C. Thar. Answer is B. Sahara. 34. The emblem of UNO is A. Tiger, B. Red Cross, C. White dove, D. Olive branch. Answer is D. Olive branch. 35. The national game of India is A. Football, B. Tennis, C. Cricket, D. Hockey. Answer is D. Hockey. 36. Which of the following colors in the visible spectrum has maximum range? First of all, what is the spectrum? Spectrum generally one type of is a crowd of light. It's called spectrum. A. Orange, B. Indigo, C. Violet, D. Red. Answer is D. Red. When you are stand far from the red light, but you can easily see the red light because of high visible spectrum. An example is traffic signal. 37. Caustic soda is A. NaOH, B. NaCl, C. NaHCO3, D. NaHCO2. So answer is A. NaOH. 38. Which of the following gases is lighter than air? Means which gas lighter than air? A. Oxygen, B. Methane, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. Answer is B. Methane. 39. The metal used in storage batteries is A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Lead, D. Aluminium. Answer is C. Lead. 40. Which of the following is the lightest gas? Only lightest gas. A. Ammonia, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer is D. Hydrogen. 41. The largest planet of the solar system is A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. Answer is C. Jupiter. 42. The fastest planet is A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Saturn, D. Earth. Answer is B. Mercury. 43. The National Institute of Union Medicine is situated at A. Bangalore, B. Jaipur, C. Pune, D. Nagpur. Answer is A. Bangalore. 44. The primary egg membranes of mammal is called 45. The driest place in India is A. Bikaner, B. Leh, C. Barmer, D. Jaisalmer. Answer is D. Jaisalmer. 46. The main river in Sikkim. Answer is A. Tista.